Hold on, y'all see that? I know y'all see that.
What's up guys, today I'm going to be making collard greens with smoked turkey tails and mac and cheese. Let's get into it. The ingredients I use for this video and specific measurements will be linked in the bio. I honestly saw this technique of removing the stem off the leaf from YouTube. I then roll up the leaves and chop them up. I also ended up with a diverse size of leaves, but that's fine. Dice a whole onion and throw it in a pot with a little bit of oil and red pepper flakes. I then let it fry up a little bit because Nigerians let everything fry, and then follow up with chicken stock and water. Make sure you know how salty your chicken stock is so you prevent over salting your greens. So you're gonna let your turkey tails simmer in the solution on low heat for 40 minutes, at least. While I wait for the pasta to finish cooking, I'm gonna prepare the seasonings for the mac and cheese, which consist of garlic and onion powder, Creole seasonings, and paprika. Drain cooked pasta and set aside. In 2 separate bowls, pour your heavy whipping cream and whole milk and set aside. Put all your greens in the chicken stock solution. I low-key struggle to fit all the greens inside, so don't be like me. And let the greens simmer for at least 45 minutes. It's a long process, but it's worth it. In a skillet, melt equal parts of butter and flour, whisk till smooth and let it cook for 5 minutes on low heat. Bring back out your 2 bowls of milk and cream and add a little at a time. All of your cream first and then the milk. Make sure to stir in between. Once all incorporated, add the seasonings we prepared beforehand and whisk in. Don't do what I did and start off with a small skillet. I had to transfer the sauce to a bigger skillet. Don't let anyone judge you when it comes to the amount of cheese you put in the sauce. I added about a handful of each cheese I had. You can add the whole bag if you want. Not for real, don't do that. I'm just playing. It's really cheesy. Add salt and pepper to taste. And finally add the pasta and mix. The mac and cheese is pretty much done, but I added some in the smaller skillet I had and topped it off with cheese, and then popped it in the oven at 400 degrees for about 30 minutes or until bubbly. After the collard greens are done, you can add hot sauce if you want. I took the tails out and chopped them up. Look at that! And that's all I got for this video. Remember that if I can make this stuff, you can too. Don't get intimidated. I'm out.